Welcome, friends. What a beautiful day to play. Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today, we're going to play with the Cinderella Design a Dress Fashion Kit. We have our two colors of Play-Doh, sparkly blue and light green. And then we have our mold for shoes. And our roller that makes these images in the Play-Doh. We have a dewdrop cutout and a heart cutout. Then we have this, which will help us design our dress. And then we have Cinderella. Let's put her in her stand. And let's make her a sparkly blue dress. So we get our blue Play-Doh out. Perfect. Let's get some more out. We'll roll it out flat using our roller. Make it flat like this. Then we'll get our roller and make a design like that. Perfect. Now we'll use this cutout like this. Perfect. And this goes right here. And then we'll make the top of her dress using this. Like that. We'll flatten it out a little bit. Get a nice design. Make it like that. Perfect. And could put some bows on it. this little teal bow. Put that here. Another bow. Put that here. Wow, Cinderella is looking very pretty. Now, let's make a blue butterfly for her hair. Go right here. And some teal shoes. And then we can make some bows for her shoes, some blue bows. Go like that. And Cinderella is all ready to go to the party. Why, thank you, Miss Muffin. Of course, Cinderella. Well, I think I'm off to the ball for today, but don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muffin's channel. Bye-bye, and come again soon to play with me.